Hello, today's topic is centroid of a triangle. We're going to prove two things today. The first one, the centroid of a triangle divides its medians in the ratio 2:1, and we also will also derive the formula to find out centroid of a triangle in 3D, means the coordinates of centroid of a triangle in 3 dimensions. First of all, what is centroid? Centroid of a triangle is the point of concurrence of its medians. Means the medians of a triangle, any sort of triangle, they meet at one point. This is one more question to be proved, that the medians of a triangle meet at one point. We'll prove it later, or maybe you have done it before. But right now we are taking it as a fact that medians of a triangle meet at one point. And centroid is actually the point of their meeting. So let's focus on the two proofs that we have to prove today. Suppose we have this ABC as a triangle, and let D and E be the midpoints of two of its sides. Therefore, CD is one of the median and BE is the another median. We'll prove the result 1 for the two medians, and we'll generalize it for the third. That means we'll prove that this point divides the median, these two medians, in the ratio 2:1. Median is always named like CD, it's never named like DC. Okay, so from the vertex to the midpoint. So centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That means this is the 2. This is 2 and this is 1. Means 2 out of this is 2/3 and this is 1/3. Okay. Now here let's join DE. As D and E are the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle, therefore the line joining these 2 points will be parallel to third sides, and it will be half of the third side. No, as per midpoint theorem. Now let's take these two triangles, triangle DOE and triangle BOC. In these two triangles, this angle here is equals to this angle here, alternate interior angles, and these two are parallel. And here, this angle is equals to this angles, because this is parallel to this, so they are alternate interior. That means these two triangles are similar by angle. That means their sides are gonna be proportionate, which is equals to this. So which actually implies this and this. Means the ratio of these sides is also gonna be half because of this fact. Okay. Now these two can be rearranged like this and this. So here we prove our first result, that median is divided into ratio 2:1 by the centroid. Here you can see OC over DO is equals to 2:1 and BO over OE is 2:1. Now we are moving ahead towards the second proof of today. Sorry, that's not the proof, means the second question of today's topic, that is how to find out the coordinates of this. What is the formula to find out the coordinates of centroid of a triangle? For that, let's let the coordinates of these 3 points be x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Okay, and what else is given? That this is 2:1, and let's the coordinates are be these. Now if we have to find out the coordinates of this, we need the coordinates of this. Okay, we can apply section formula then to find out the coordinates of this, but let's focus here. As D is the midpoint of AB, so it divides AB in the ratio 1:1. Okay, so how can you find out the coordinates of this? Using section formula. Okay, section formula says that the coordinates of this is gonna be m into x1 plus n into x2 over m plus 1, where m and n are 1. So 1 into x1 plus 1 over x2 over 2. So x coordinate is gonna be x1 plus x2 over 2. And so all the coordinates are gonna be these. Okay, so we got the coordinates of this point. Now we can apply section formula here. and we can find out the coordinates of this point. Okay, let's focus on the x coordinate. So x coordinate is gonna be 1 into x3 plus 2 into the x coordinate here. Okay, and over m plus n, which is 2 plus 1. Like this. So here x coordinate is 2 into the x coordinate of this point, then 1 into x coordinate of this point over 2 plus 1 as per the section formula, okay, which is actually equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 over 3, as 2 will cancel out with 2. So similarly, the y and z coordinate can be taken out. So the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle are these. Okay. Um, so now we proved it. In fact, we proved both the results of today's video. The first one is this, which means the centroid of a triangle divides the median of a triangle in the ratio 2:1. And the second one is this, which actually avail us the formula for finding the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. I hope you understood. Thank you.